YouTube, what's going on? We got a package right behind me. And if you're reading the title of this video, you probably already know what it is, but we'll go ahead and open it up right now for you guys. Let's get this baby open, cutting towards ourselves. Oh shit. Okay, we got 2 boxes from Rhino Vending. See, we got the 2 right here, pretty well packaged. Alright, let's get these boxes opened up. Probably won't reuse these boxes, so I can be a little more reckless with them. But cutting towards yourself. So here's what the capsule looks like. Got this pretty nice etching on the top. Rhino Vending. The lid right here, looking kind of fresh. Here's the base plate. Here's how small it is compared to me. Jeez, that's a small machine. It's gonna be like this tall, up to my waist. It's a lot smaller than any of my other machines. Gotta screw in these right now so we can attach the bottom to the stand. Let me screw this baby on. Shit. Got the capsule on, now we're gonna go ahead and test it out with some gumballs. Gotta test it out right now, see if the gumballs dispense. Yep, everything working fine. So I got the whole machine put together. It's looking really nice actually. The mechanisms are working really good. What I want to do in the future, I want to get a card holder right here and get some business cards, and basically on that card just say like if you need a machine for your business or you have old books to donate, contact me. I'll have like my contact info and my face just so people remember who I am, and hopefully we can get some networking connections. But one of our goals right here that we had on our wall was to buy a gumball machine and replace location M. So we're going to location M. We're going to take the 3 head that we have in there out, and we're going to put this gumball machine in, and then we got to find another location for the 3 head another day. And then also, just side note, we have all these books here we're going to send into Amazon FBA. We're going to use that box that we just got. Alright, here we have the machine that we took from one of the locations and replaced it with the gumball machine. I don't know if I updated you guys in the last time I sold a machine, but pretty much I had a 2-head machine. So that 2-head machine, that was the first one we ever got. We actually listed it on Facebook Marketplace for $120. It sold for $110. And then we used all that money towards buying the gumball machine, which costed $126. So we have this machine right here and this kind of like parts machine behind me. I think we're gonna list them up together, and obviously we're gonna buy only the gumball machines, probably the same exact ones I just bought, mostly because it's a lot easier to maintain. I have to go in less to do maintenance and stuff like that, and there's a lot higher profit margins because the gumballs, they only cost like $4 to refill the whole machine, as of these ones right here, they cost like $30, $34 to fill up the whole machine. But before I do list them, I want to do one last little collection on this machine right here. Let's do it. And here's the tray. It is $7.25. Obviously, this location isn't popping with the candy. That's why we got to replace it with the gumballs. Also, I have some more reasoning on that. Pretty much before we hijacked this location, there was a gumball machine, and that gumball machine was actually popping. So I'm gonna go ahead and put in my gumball machine now. Oh, never mind. It was not just $7.25. If you see in the corner, we have a lot of quarters, and especially right here. I don't know if it's bright enough, but it's probably like, I don't know how much. So it was actually $20 total. All right, we're gonna take pictures of these two machines, list it up on Facebook Marketplace, get that money, and buy some more gumball machines. And actually I decided I'm gonna put them up for $250 for both of them, and we're just gonna take a best offer. But anyway, this has been Austyn Hustles. If you enjoy these type of videos, please go ahead and subscribe right down here. To the left of me, I have some of my older videos. Go ahead and check them out. I think you'll enjoy them. But anyway, have a great day. I'm out.